Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie, Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie, Naomi, Marie, Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
Hey y'all, so I just want to come back with a quick video to show you guys how I transition different colors. There's no specific hook, whatever you want to use, completely optional. You must know how to do a bra cup before watching this video. Do not watch this video and comment below that I'm not showing you the steps of how to do a bra. Please, please, please watch my video on how I make a bra cup, because this is not a step-by-step instructional on how I do my bra cups. So as you can see, I'm going to start off with my lime green color. You can use however many colors you want to do this transition between colors. I'm going to go ahead and do my 2 rows really quick. I don't think I mentioned it, but for each color, I'm doing 2 rows in total. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out my first 2 rows, and I'll come back to show you guys how I switch colors. Alright, so now that I have my 2 rows done, I'm going to go like I'm putting a half double crochet into the last stitch, loop over, pull through 1, and then now you're going to grab your other color that you're going to be changing to, and you're just going to hook it on there, no knot or anything, hook it on there and slide it through as if you're working a half double crochet. Make sure you're holding the very small end just so it doesn't go slipping through the hole. So then you're going to chain up 2, and you're going to flip your work. And what I like to do is I like to half double crochet the loose end part in when beginning, just because it makes it easier and it doesn't unravel. So as you can see, I'm holding the little short black string, and now I'm just gonna work half double crochets in each stitch. But as I'm working a half double crochet in each stitch, I'm gonna be holding the little short string down so that it's able to be basically sewn in. You know what I'm saying, had to go back and give y'all an instant replay because you can miss this if you're not paying attention. So here's just the instant replay of how to do it. So I normally just cut off that little piece there just so I don't have to keep trying to hide it in my work. But I'm just going to work 2 rows because that's how many I'm doing of the black color, and I'll come back when I'm switching the color again. Please take note that you'll probably have to adjust your yarn as you go just because it could start tangling. Alright, so now that I'm back with my 2 black rows, as you can see, I'm going into my following few stitches left. Now I'm going into the very last stitch. So you're going to pull through 1 loop, and then you're going to grab your other color and you're going to do it as if you were half double crocheting with the other color, same as before. Chain up 2, flip your work, and it's just repetition after there. So that's really all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any problems, be sure to message me on my social media. I'll be glad to help you guys out. Also comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see a tutorial on. I'm gonna slowly and surely be trying to push those out, but I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.
I know I gotta see you again.